Hi, this is Darla Demaro from Heartwork Organizing. And if you're trying to get organized, you already have everything you need. Don't go looking for or buying big drawer dividers, expensive drawer dividers, because you can make your own. These cute little paper boxes are something that you can absolutely do at home, and I'm going to show you how. So you start with a square piece of paper. 12 by 12 is fine, that's scrapbooking paper, or it can be smaller. And I've already folded mine over once and folded it over twice. It does need to be square. The larger the paper, the larger the box you'll end up with. Once you have this initial fold, then you go around and fold each corner into the center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anybody can do this. You want to be as precise as you can, but you don't need to be perfect. Alrighty, then once you have all those 4 corners in, you're going to fold over this flap and then unfold. Turn, fold over this flap right to the center, and, ooh, I don't like that fold. There we go. Unfold and turn and fold again. And last time. There we go. Now, I'm going to open up 2 sides, and the other 2 sides we're going to fold this down again all the way to the edges of the flaps. And all the way. Now that's your 2 sides, top and bottom. I'm going to turn this. I like to make these last folds facing me. Going to fold in these little wings, just like you're folding an envelope. Flip over the top, and that little flap should match up with the other 2. So I've got 3 in. Turn once more. Fold in on the little wings. The last one always makes me think a little bit. There we go. That fold is already there. You just have to follow it. Alrighty. Folded. Flip it over the top. And that last flap will fit right in there. You don't even need glue or tape. There you go. These are great little Valentine boxes, but I like them as desk organizers. There you go. Have a happy, organized day.